Have you ever looked at options trading and thought, what in the world am I looking at? Because that's exactly how I felt when I first discovered options. As someone who started with stocks and later moved into ETFs, I thought I had a pretty good understanding of investing. Then I discovered options trading, and suddenly it felt like I was learning a completely different language. Hi everyone, I'm JD and welcome back to JD's trading journey. I am a school teacher documenting my real journey learning options trading, and today I want to share why options trading confused me so much. There's a good chance you've experienced some of the same struggles. The first thing that confused me was the terminology. Everywhere I looked, people were talking about calls, puts, strike prices, premiums, expiration dates, and assignments. I remember watching videos and reading articles thinking, can someone please explain this to me in plain English? I felt like everyone else already understood the language while I was completely lost. The second thing that confused me was the amount of information available. One video would explain options one way, the other video would explain them differently. Some people made options sound incredibly easy. Others made them sound extremely risky. The more information I consumed, the more overwhelmed I became. I wasn't sure who to listen to or where to begin. Another thing that held me back was fear. I kept hearing stories about traders losing thousands of dollars in options. As a school teacher, I work hard for my paycheck, and I wasn't interested in gambling with my money. I wanted to understand exactly what I was doing before risking real capital. Because of that fear, I avoided options trading for quite a while. Then there was the option chain. The first time I opened an option chain, I honestly had no idea what I was looking at. There were rows, columns everywhere, numbers moving constantly. Terms like delta, theta, bid, ask, and open interest. It felt overwhelming. I remember staring at the screen and thinking, how do people understand all of this? But eventually something changed. I stopped trying to learn everything at once. Instead, I focused on understanding one concept at a time. First, I learned what the call option was. Then I learned what the put option was. Then I learned how premiums work. Little by little, things started making sense. And that's when I realized something important. Options trading wasn't necessarily too complicated. I was simply trying to learn too much too quickly. Looking back, I think that's one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. We want to understand everything immediately, but learning options is a process. Just like learning a new skill, it takes time, patience, and consistent effort. If you are currently feeling confused about options trading, trust me, you're not alone. I felt exactly the same way, and even today, I'm still learning. But what I discovered is that confusion is not a sign that you are failing. It's actually part of the learning process. You don't need to master everything today. You just need to keep moving forward one concept at a time. For me, the journey started with stocks. then ETFs, and now options trading. Every step brought new challenges. Every challenge taught me something valuable. I'd like to hear from you. What was the most confusing thing that options trading when you first started learning? Leave the comment below. And if you would like to follow my journey as a school teacher learning options trading, make sure to subscribe and join me as we continue to learn, trade, and grow together. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.